Mr. Mohamed, on behalf of Al Jassar Group, in your view, Maico Gulf and Al Jassar has been together in this partnership for more than 15 years. What has made this partnership so successful? What has kept the connection for so long? And also, name a project or few where Maico Gulf has been really instrumental.
We have done many projects, out of that which I can name as a prestigious project as Mall of Oman. We had a very good experience, very good technical support from them. Their team is always available for us on a phone call. Their technical support is really very good, of course, and their partnership with 15 years plus is also the most important thing. And in Oman's market, actually, being a partner association with them for 15 years is not a small thing, because usually people start changing the agents. Since they are comfortable with us, and we also Al Jassar, we are comfortable with them. And I hope this relationship continues further. It will take to the new heights, of course.